Step into a mysterious world and immerse yourself in an unforgettable adventure. RPG is a genre of games that allows players to manage their own characters and progress through a story, usually set in fantastical or science fiction universes. RPG games offer deep and complex narratives, various character development options, and epic battles in a richly crafted world. Each RPG game has its own unique universe and story. These worlds often revolve around fantasy kingdoms filled with dragons, intergalactic space invasions, or post-apocalyptic landscapes. As players explore these realms, they undertake quests, interact with characters, and engage in battles, embarking on one adventure after another. Another key feature of RPG games is their character development systems. Players typically level up as they gain experience, unlocking new abilities with each level. Additionally, there is a wide range of equipment and skill options that allow players to customize their characters as they see fit. You can play your character as a warrior, mage, thief, or one of many other classes, each offering unique advantages and challenges. RPG games often come with multiplayer features that require players to collaborate or compete with others. You team up with others to complete challenging missions, dive into dungeons, or participate in epic boss battles. At the same time, you can engage in competitive PvP modes, testing your skills against other players. Every RPG game is filled with captivating characters, emotional moments, and stunning landscapes that draw players into a deep narrative. Players make various choices that impact the story, leading to rewards or consequences. As they shape the game's outcome, players may hold the power to save or destroy the world, increasing the game's replay value. In conclusion, RPG games offer unforgettable experiences filled with immersive stories, character development options, and social interactions. Dive into the adventure, develop your character, and become the hero of an epic story.